Hello.
Hello. Hello. Oh, hi there.
Wow. How did you make her?
Well, I made it out of a peg. Do you want to see how it's done?
Yeah.
Alright then. So, I cut out a bit of cardboard. You can find cardboard at home from a box or anything like that if you've ordered a pizza maybe. So I've cut it out into a circle. Then we've got half of the circle. I'm just going to cut it slightly down below that half. All the way over. So, there we are. I'd like to draw some eyes on. Like C's got her eyes. Now, I would like to put some lips on as well, so I've got this red one. Now, I also want to give her some hair, but this time I'll have some blue hair instead. You can make a knot, but maybe you can ask a very old person to do it. So why don't you help me, Tom?
Yeah, I know how to tie a knot.
Yep, you can always ask for help if you need to. Thank you. Now, I've got some double-sided tape, but if you don't have that, you can use normal tape. So if you roll it around like Tom is showing here, the tape will stick it all the way around. If you don't have tape, but you've got a glue stick, that's also brilliant. Now let's stick the hair on her head. I'm just going to cut a little piece out. Just going to stick it up here as if it's a ponytail. That's it. Maybe just cut this bit off here. Now, it's time to take your peg and you have to glue these together so it looks like a mouth. Again, I'm going to use my double-sided tape, but you can use glue stick or regular tape. Stick it as close as you can up to the lips on the back side. Now stick it while the peg is closed. Like so. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, did you hear that? Oh yeah, I hope you don't mind.
And you can also use your imagination to come up with all sorts of other things you can make out of a peg. Like this cheeky little mouse, perhaps.
This very bitey crocodile.
No, not the cheese.
Whoa!
Ow! Ow, 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 ow. Oh, hi. Oh,
Hello.
hello.
And who are you?
Hello. Well, they call me Ernie the Arms. Ooh. And if you'd like to make your own version of Ernie here, you'll need some cardboard, some tape, some glue, a pen, some sticks, toilet roll tube, some scissors, and some kind of string or wool. First, you're going to want to draw your head and 2 hands onto your cardboard and cut them out.
If you're too young to use scissors, you can always ask an adult.
And they'll help you. Now when we've got our head and hands cut out, we can put some glue on the back of the head and stick it to our toilet tube. There you go, look, he's already starting to come together. Now if you like, you can give him some kind of clothing. And then I'll put them just to one side. Now we're going to take our hands, make sure the thumbs are pointing in towards each other, like your hands. And we're then going to take a bit of string. How long you make it is up to you. That determines how long the arms are going to be.
That's very good.
I'm going to lay that there and there. Take 2 pieces of tape and use them to stick the string onto the hands. You've got nice see-through tape like this. It means that it doesn't matter if it comes round to the front to make it extra secure. Now, I'm going to bring the arms round and lay them down. Oh, his head's come off. Stick that back on. And I'm going to use 2 more bits of tape to tape the arms onto the sides of the toilet roll tube. One here. And one here.
Now Ernie's got a friend.
There we go. Now all we need to do is make sure we can move his arms around. So, I've got 2 chopsticks here, but you could go and find a stick in the park. You could use anything you like for this part. And I'm going to tape these sticks onto the back of the hand. And there we have it. Hello. Hi. Hello. Oh. Hi. Hello.
Look, he's out for a walk.
Why don't you try adding legs to your puppet and take it out with you for a walk? I'll tell you what, it's so much more fun since you 2 came down here and started having fun with us in the arcade. We never had any visitors before. However did you get in?
Yeah, how did you get in? Well, actually I don't know.
Ah, I'll tell you. We made this magic key.
Didn't we? And it worked.
Yeah, it worked. Woo!
Yeah, I can do this forever. I know. We're going. Stop.
Hey, come back with our key.
Come back.
Get him.